Hey there! Thanks for watching this U100 Introduction to Research. These quick videos will introduce you to research concepts you'll be using in U100 as well as other classes you'll be taking. The best thing to do when you receive an assignment from a professor is create a research plan. Look at the specific requirements of the assignment itself. Always pay close attention to the due date, the length of the assignment, the sources, and the citations. The first thing you want to think about is your assignment's due date. If you don't hand it in on time, there's a good chance you'll get a lower grade or not be allowed to hand it in at all. The due date also represents a timeline. This timeline should give you time to understand your topic, to know your thesis statement, to do the research, to write a draft, and then write a final version. It helps to write all the dates down in your calendar. So, if you've got 4 weeks until a project is due, make sure you have enough time for all these different steps. The library has resources available to help you create your own personalized timeline, like the Research Project Calculator. We recommend using it whenever you have a big assignment coming up so you don't end up waiting until the last minute. Keep in mind that you might be able to finish one paper last minute, but what happens when you have a bunch of stuff all due around the same time? Bookmark the RPC and it will always be available to you. The second part of your research strategy is the length of the assignment. Is your professor asking you to write 5 pages? Then make sure you hand in 5 pages, no more or less. Beyond that, look at the length of the assignment to see how detailed your research should be. A 10-page paper, or a 30-minute presentation, for example, would need much more detail than a 3-page paper or a 15-minute presentation. Ask yourself if your topic is too broad or too narrow to fit the length of the assignment. If it's too broad, brainstorm how you would narrow it down. For example, imagine you're writing a 3-page paper on poverty. Sounds easy enough, right? Until you realize you can't think of anything or you have too many ideas. This is where brainstorming comes in. In this case, you could consider education issues, or housing, or unemployment, or race, or gender. You may not end up writing about all of these, but now you've got at least some ideas to consider.